Okay, so let's read through this and see if we can figure out what the two equations are. 2 chocolate chip cookies, that's X, and 3 brownies, that's Y, cost, that's equals $9.50. So my first equation is 2X plus 3Y equals $9.50. What's the second equation? 1 cookie, 2 brownies equals $6. So 1X plus 2Y equals 6. Now, I look at my coefficients. I have 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. None of those are the same. So I have to make them the same by multiplying, okay? So now I have to figure out, well, do I have to multiply one of these or both of these? So I know that I can multiply 1 and make it 2. So we can do this by just multiplying the second equation. If you multiply both, you won't be wrong. You'll just have bigger numbers to deal with. So I'm just going to multiply this equation by 2 to get 2X plus 4Y equals 12. Now, I'm going to write the first equation under it because those numbers are smaller and I know I'm subtracting. So I don't want to have to deal with negatives. So I'm going to write the first equation underneath it. There's nothing wrong with that. If you put it on top, there's nothing wrong with that either. I'm also lining up my decimals to make it easy for me to subtract, right? I knew I was subtracting because these 2's are both positive. So to get rid of my x's, I have to subtract them. So 2 minus 2 is 0. They are eliminated. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then I need to do $12 minus $9.50. So this becomes 11. This becomes 100. So this is 50. And then 2. So 1Y. What is a Y? A brownie. So 1 brownie is $2.50. Now I need to figure out the cost of the cookies. I like the second equation. So 1X plus 2, instead of Y, I'm putting 250 equals $6. So X plus, I know that 250 twice is $5. So if I subtract $5 on both sides, X is $1. And X is 1 cookie. But I have to answer the question. The question says, what is the price of a cookie and a brownie? So I'm going to go to the next slide because I'm out of room. The brownie was $2.50. The cookie was $1. So the cost of a cookie and a brownie is, add these up, $3.50. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to do practice problems 3 and 4.